Alright, real quick, I just wanted to make this video because we are coming up on a year of having the lock. This is what's going on. Damn, my foot hurt. This is how the back looks. You can see some of them have lightened up over the summertime. I did not purposely do that. And also, this like tighten up. You see how like up in how this looks. See, so I don't like that. I also got like some sweat deposit up in there, so I'm gonna get all of that out. Yeah, see. So I'm gonna like tighten up all of this. Still gonna have that appearance of like it's grown out, and that's the way I want it. I don't want it to be real neat. So, all right, thank you for your time, and thank you for choosing With Kid RVA.